Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a beautiful and vibrant library, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the look of the, let's say, abandoned and also haunted library. Isn't that cool, right? And the differences can be look really drastic or drastical. How to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before to create that transformation was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform or another AI image generator, then don't worry guys, because it is very okay and you can go with it. And I'm here also I will share you the prompt that you can create it into your version guys. And if you'd like to access this via Google AI Studio, then you can simply do the login first with your email, and this is the home page. And after that you can click this Try Nano Banana, and after that I will start to upload the image from my gallery, for example this one. And after that I will put the prompt into this section, and don't worry guys, because I will also put this prompt into the description box, and you can simply copy it and you can try to use it for generate the picture. And basically the prompt would be like this: transform this colorful multi-level library image into the abandoned and haunted library. Replace the bright yellow and blue, let's say, walls with dark and age peeling wallpaper or stone and showing signs of heavy moisture and neglect, and the vivid clouds and cartoon element should be replaced with the cracked walls and cobwebs. Like this. And the another detail would be the playful floor cushions must be gone, and the floor should be dusty, scuffed, and covered with the scattered yellowed peppers and also the old one and forgotten books like this. And the wooden railings and shelves should look dark and splintered and rotting like this. And also the most crucial element is the atmosphere. For example, the lighting must be extremely dim. Replace the bright daylight with a gloomy diffuse light, perhaps from the single flickering gas lamp or a small pale moonlight streaming and through dusty grimly windows. And create the heavy stagnant atmosphere with a thick layer of dust and faint, eerie mist hanging in the air, and also especially around the upper balcony. This area. And you can also put the spooky elements like this ghost, for example, a book slightly hovering off a shelf, and a faint, translucent shadow figures lurking near the railing on the second floor, or a single and unsettling rocking chair slowly swaying in the corner. And the overall mood should be silent, deeply atmospheric, and unsettling, like a place where knowledge has been corrupted and spirit lingers. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the another output guys. Well, this is the same prompt that I used before to generate and have the transformation picture from this to become this one, guys. However, you can actually get the another output like this, and you can, whenever the generation process is done, then you can simply download it and it will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.